Alright guys, it's gotta go. Giggles. She's back there by that white car getting her gear on. We are at Letchworth State Park in New York. I guess it's southern tier. And we're getting ready to do an awesome hike of what they call the Grand Canyon of the East. We're going to take the Pink Trail. Starts up here. Some massive waterfalls, although the river is low. But yeah, that's a railroad bridge over the top of the gorge here. Should be somewhere between 6 and 10 miles depending on how far we go. Alright, it's blazed pink, and I think we got a ton of steps to go down to start with. Then it's pretty flat. Yeah, that should be cool. Alright, you can see the steps, some cool stuff there, but here's our first view of this is the upper waterfall, right? Yeah, well, it makes sense going downstream. There's some of the steps coming down. We got a big run. Oh yeah, I gotta get a picture of that. That leads into, oh look at the flowers, right? There's that mambo jambo. See the mist. Massive, what a canyon. There's gotta go with her mask on. Alright, we finally got to the good view spot. We're still at the upper falls on the Pink Trail. Look at that. Especially with the bridge. See all the mist and the light. Pretty cool. Alright, another view. More straight on. But that's the one somebody got a long exposure. I guess I gotta wait till I see the other two falls, but I swear it looked like that one, but nah, I doubt it. Yeah, that's super cool. Look at that canyon, how it's cut, all the different layers. If you're a geologist, you'd probably be in heaven. That's pretty sweet seeing all the different layers. Trail here is fantastic. All right, there's the middle falls. Look at that bad boy. There's Giggles taking pictures. Wish they had more signs. Actually, they hardly have anything. Hey! I don't know what the deal is, but there's a roadblock up there. Crazy, man. And what is that, like 100 feet? I don't even know. Whoa. Yeah, I have no idea how to tell how high that is. Seems like more than that, maybe.
One was, or two of them were around 70 and one's around 100.
Alright, as of August 6th, 2020, at the Middle Falls, these guys are working on the steps. So we took the road up here to bypass that, and then you keep going across there. So yeah, just walk up the short section of road. If it's still blocked. Alright, we got up here. Walking along. Oh man, that's freaking deep and scary. Whoa. Oh, stay behind barriers. What, they've had people try to get out on that little ledge? Or if you fall, you die. It's crazy. Alright, we got this big rock here. God wrought for us this scene beyond compare, but one man's loving hand protected it and gave it to his fellow men to share. Sarah Evans Letchworth. And this is Letchworth State Park. Wow, you can see both the middle and the upper from here. If they would just chop down a couple trees, like, isn't that sumac to boot? But who's gonna risk going over that ledge to cut that? But yeah, the Middle Falls are about there, and the Upper Falls are right under the bridge, if you can see the bridge. Let's see. Anyway, this shows starting in 1837, it took 25 years and $6 million to build this man-made waterway. What man-made waterway?
Canal.
Oh, they built a canal on the left. So that would be up in there, up above the gorge. So yeah, there's the wooden high bridge there, which is now a steel bridge. Wow, that's crazy that they built a canal. Men were pretty badass back in the 1800s. Oh. Alright. Sagahunda. The land before you was called the Sagahunda, the Vale of the Three Falls. And anyway, as I was commenting earlier, that's the Middle Falls we were just at a little bit ago, and that's 107 feet high, 285 feet wide. Up above that, up there, is the Upper Falls at 70 feet high, and it's in a horseshoe shape. Portage Bluestone. And anyway, yeah, so there's Middle Falls, Upper Falls, and Lower Falls will be down this way. It bends the canyon, and it says just around the bend, downstream and out of view. Alright. Alright, we made it to the Lower Falls. Had to climb down a hill of gravel, a little steep, and I don't know if I'd say dangerous, but sorta. But let's see what we got here, man. You can see it better back there. Let's see if we can see it up here. Yeah. There's Giggles. That's the lower falls. And it goes down, it looks like almost a slot canyon or something. It's a powerful fall, man. What a picture that is. So how tall was this one? 70? That was the upper one. Oh, okay, this is 70 feet as well. 70 feet tall. I would guess 100 feet wide. That is a powerful force right there. I bet it's super cool when this is raging and you got water falling, a curtain all the way across. Gorgeous day. So that trail might take us up somewhere else or what? So we'll find out, but all right, that is cool. That's all 3 falls that we've seen now. All right, danger, stay on designated trails, do not enter water. And steep drop-offs is what applies right here. Woo, that's scary. Straight down, probably 100 feet. There's a cave right there. Powerful. Cool layers. But here's that bridge. So I better get my mask back on. Let me at least get. Let me get my mask. Oh, I see. Yeah, here's some steps coming up from the lower falls viewpoint. We heard there were a lot of stairs on this hike and pretty spot on. Hasn't been bad though. A good workout. Yeah. Woo. Lower Falls Trail, 127 steps. They call that a flume. I called it a slot canyon. Do not feed wildlife. Climb gorge walls or banks, swim in river, build ground fires. There's a park over here. Look at all the carvings on that tree. All the trees, holy crap. Yeah. Many years of I heart so-and-so. Should we go over and eat? Some loud rapids. Oh, I see it. It's a waterfall. I might be able to see it up there. Yeah, kind of. Whoa. Now, like rapids. Look how perfectly cut that sandstone walls are. Back at the upper falls. Alright, last shot of the upper falls. And we're going to climb back up and head to the car. And then go tour some area, some more of Letchworth. Alright. We have finished. There's Giggles. Looking at about 7.5 miles total. Out to the past the lower falls and back. Out of breath because I ran. All the way up the hill at the end, but yeah, man, good. Hi. Maybe that was an army copter. Anyway, gotta go. Giggles. See you next time. This is the Archery overlook. Is that your YJ?
Yeah.
Nice.
Thanks.
Awesome. Still at the Archery overlook, but it's so ridiculous, man. 400 feet up from the water up, but people whitewater raft through this section during the spring, so we're going to come back. Well, we're going to look into the whitewater rafting, but we definitely want to come back and see it when in the water's raging, because it's like way low. It's just crazy. I can't imagine how cool that is to whitewater raft. Beautiful views. We're parked over there. Giggles checking it out.